Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 applications are suddenly crashing and throwing the 0xc0000005 error, this indicates a memory access violation, meaning the software is trying to access a restricted, corrupted, or invalid part of your system's RAM. I will show you exactly how to repair your system files and adjust your memory execution settings to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, the most common cause of this crash is corrupted Windows system files that are blocking the application from executing properly in memory. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and explicitly select Run as Administrator. In the terminal, type SFC /scan and press Enter to begin the verification scan. Allow the process to reach 100%, which will automatically find and replace any damaged operating system files, and then restart your computer. Next, if the error only happens with one specific program, Windows Security might be aggressively blocking its memory access. Press the Windows key and R at the same time, type sysdm.cpl and hit Enter to instantly open your system properties. Click the Advanced tab at the top and click the Settings button under the Performance section. Navigate to the Data Execution Prevention tab. Select the option to turn on DEP for all programs and services except those I select. Click Add and browse for your crashing application's executable file to whitelist it before clicking Apply. Finally, if multiple applications are still crashing, a third-party application or malware may be injecting conflicting code into your system. Press the Windows key and R at the same time, type REGEDIT, and press Enter to open the Registry editor. Navigate using the left-hand folder tree exactly to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows NT, Current Version, Windows. Look for the value named loadappinit_DLLS on the right side, double-click it, change the value data from 1 to 0, and click OK before restarting your PC. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.